you struggle to hear audio clearly, especially from one side of your headphones? Or maybe you want to adjust the sound for better clarity in your ear that hears better? Well, there's a life-saving feature called mono sound or adapt sound. You know, how to enable it no matter what phone you're using: Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, even iPhone. I'm using the Galaxy S22 Ultra for this demo, but don't scroll away. Your phone is coming up in just a bit, so stay with me and follow along. Let's get your sound right. For Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and similar Samsung devices, you go to settings and you scroll down and tap accessibility. And you tap hearing enhancements here, and you toggle on mono audio. This one, mono audio. Okay, select where to use mono audio, which plays the same sound or both audio. So you can set it for connected audio, maybe if you have Bluetooth connected, or you can have it connected audio and phone speakers like that. Okay, and you can come here to adjust this. If your right ear or left ear, that's better. You see, this is playing left. Let's see the right. Okay, and then for this phone speakers, left and right. And now for adapt sound, you open settings. I'm already on the settings menu, and you go to sounds and vibration. And you select sound quality and effects. And you turn on adapt sound. This is great. Let's see what it does. You choose your age group, or you customize your sound by running a hearing test. So you choose your age. If you're under 30 years old, you select that. If you're 30 to 60 years old, you select this. If you're over 60, you select this. Or you can even add a personalized sound profile. So find the best sound for you and use it for calls. So you start the test, you read this and follow the prompt, and it will personalize this for you even better. Cool. So what does it do? Adapt sound gives you a perfect sound that's tuned just for your ears. It works whenever you're wearing headphones. Choose a preset that matches your age, or take a hearing test to create a personalized sound effect. So Samsung really makes it easy to personalize your audio, whether you're young, older, or want custom settings. Now for Tecno, Infinix, and similar Android phones, that is if available, how to turn on mono audio if available. You will go to settings and you will scroll to accessibility, and you look for hearing or audio options. You toggle on mono audio. You toggle it on. On some Infinix or Tecno phones, mono audio may be under sound and vibration, or it may be under accessibility and then hearing. Adapt sound is not available natively on most models, but you can use third-party apps like Wavelets or Audio Balance EQ from Play Store. For OnePlus devices, mono audio, you go to settings, you go to system, you tap accessibility, you scroll to audio and on screen test, and you toggle mono audio on. OnePlus keeps it under system settings, so it's easy to find. Now for iPhone, iOS 17 or newer, mono audio, you have to open the settings and you tap accessibility. Under hearing, tap audio/visual and you toggle mono audio. You toggle it on. For customized audio, still under accessibility, audio visual, tap the headphone accommodations and toggle it on, and tap custom audio setup to personalize the sound to your hearing. This works beautifully with earpods or any headphones. And that's how you make your phone sound better. Whether you're on a Samsung, iPhone, OnePlus, Tecno, Infinix, let me know in the comments which brand you use and if this worked for you. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, share with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for small tech tips that make your life easier. See you in the next one.